Hey guys, this is Lynette Bledsoe coming to you live from my home office here in San Antonio, Texas. And today I'm going to be sharing I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a company called Urbane. It's a monthly clothing subscription which sends you products for one price. Now, I don't know about you guys, but if you're watching this video, more than likely you work from home. You stay at home, you're a stay-at-home mom, or you might be working a full-time job. I am in my early 40s, so I've been looking for a way to stay up to date, up to fashion. I still live in New York, and I used to always be into the fashion magazines and stuff like that. But now I don't live in New York anymore. I used to read those when I was on the subway, but I don't have that time anymore. I'm not in New York. I'm in Texas now. Being I'm not over there, I am so out of the loop. If you look in my closet, I have clothes from 1999 when I first met my husband, and they're still there. Not sure why, but they're still totally in there. I wanted to share a little bit of services. I wanted to test out different services. I know I did a lot of research, and there was like Trunk Club, Stitch Fit, but I didn't really like the fact where you paid for what was sent to you. If you didn't like it, you had to send it back. I wanted to find a company that actually you paid one set price and you just kept the clothes. So that's kind of what I was into, and I'm on their site right now. You can go to Urbane, and I'll put the link below. I know you can't really see that, but the way that it works is you sign up and then you check the stylist clothes of kind of what you're interested in, like the styles you would use, and then they send an email to your stylist, and then you receive your clothing a couple weeks later. So they are very diligent with the customer service. I do like them. If you have a problem or anything like that, they will respond fairly quickly, and they do. This is your package. Um, they do send you a priority envelope, so just in case you had to return those items, you can return them. So I'm going to share with you what I received. I'm sure if you do research on Urbane, none of the boxes none of the videos are going to be similar. So let me just take a look real quick. And let me see. So this is a very, and because everyone's style is different. So if you work in the business world, you probably have to get more dressed up clothes. I don't. I work from home. I work my business from home, so I don't need to be dressy. I need to be relaxed. So I ask for casual clothing. So that's what I have here. So this is the first thing I've got, and I totally like it. I thought it was a hoodie at first, but it's not. So this is definitely something I would totally rock. The material is really soft, so that's really nice. And then here, so this is if you can see that, it's a black, kind of like a see-through blouse. If I were going out, I actually opened this box before this video because I wanted to try the clothes on so I can try them on for the video. But this blouse, I have to reach out to them because it didn't fit me quite. But that's the envelope. That's the purpose of the envelope, so I can send those clothes back. So again, I like it. I like paying for a set price. So I've done this. This is my second month of getting clothes, and then I did another unboxing, which it's called my fashion crate. You can see that that's on my YouTube channel. So definitely, if you're looking for just one set price where you don't have to be surprised when that receipt comes, because I know it's Stitch Fix and Trunk Club and some other subscriptions, they send you a whole bunch of stuff, which if it's like me, I have trouble sending stuff back. I would want to keep it all. So I like to have surprises monthly and then just have it, put it in my box. I have a teenage daughter. If I don't like it, maybe she'll take it, or you can just gift it to someone, but more than likely I'll keep it. But I like to deal with companies that you're set with that one set price, and then you don't have to worry about it again. Like, you don't have to worry about returning clothes, no surprise bills on your credit card, things like that. So if you're looking for Urbane, I'll put the link below. They always have monthly specials. I believe right now they have like a $30 monthly special. I'll put the link below for that. But definitely, If you just want a subscription service, a monthly subscription, that's just one set price. This is the company for you. So hope that helped give you some ideas on what may come in your box. And hope you guys enjoy your day.